Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, thank you for viewing. This is the look that I'm giving today. I applied my wig. This is what I call my good wig because I don't wear this one a lot. This is a HD lace frontal wig that I got from Luveme. And this tutorial is basically for the ladies who want to slay. Maybe you purchased a wig before and it does not fit your head. This is basically what's going on with this wig. This is a beautiful wig, but it really doesn't fit my head the way that I thought it would. So I'm going to show you how you can still slay, all right? And then I'm going to beat my face for you all. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump right into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to turn on your notifications so you can know when I drop a new video. I will be dropping videos every Monday at 7 p.m. So stay tuned for more vids to come. And let's go ahead and jump into this look. Getting ready to put my wig on. This is my wig from Luveme. I think this is a 22 inch lace front wig, and it's small, so I don't really wear it for long periods of time because it does creep back on my head. I just like to put it on from time to time. So I'm getting ready to do that now. This is HD transparent lace. So the lace looks like really, really thin. I still got some little areas right here that's a little white, but they'll dry. About my wig, instant facelift about 10 years back.
Take your time. Don't wanna die, just die time. Tap one, tap first. Don't wanna die, just last one. Take your first, take your promise. Don't wanna die, just have it first.
You've got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images. And it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. You've got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images. And it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right. Oh no, it ain't right, right, right. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right. Oh no, all in me, right it, right, all in me, oh, all in me, right it, right, all in me. You're calling my phone. I'm being patient, but I'm all alone. Staying faithful, and I'll never know when you're coming back around. When you're coming back around, you got me all in my feelings, like I could die without you next to me. It's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right, right, right. Ain't right. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right. You're calling my phone. I'm being patient, but I'm all alone. Staying faithful, and I'll never know when you're coming back around. When you're coming back around. Makes me feel like I can't breathe. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right, right, right. Ain't right. Oh no, it ain't right, right, right. It ain't right, right, right. It ain't right. Oh no, all in me, right it, right, all in me, oh, all in me, right it, right, all in me. When you're coming back around. You've got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images. And it's the way that you look at me, makes me feel like I can't breathe. You've got me saying words in my head, filling my mind with these images.
at the end of this look. I ended up doing my lashes and my lips off camera because I had some clients in between. So I just went ahead and did that. But I'm finishing up my eyeshadow here. And the look is coming together pretty well. So this is the finished look, you guys. I'm just going to go ahead and run the flat iron through my hair. I absolutely love this wig. It's a great quality wig. It has a few cons. It doesn't really, it gets kind of tangled. But other than that, it's a beautiful wig. So if you guys enjoyed this look, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll be uploading content every Monday at 7. So make sure to turn that bell on so you can know when I drop some new content. And again, let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. Let me know if there's any more looks you want to see from me. But this is the finished look, and this wig is just so pretty. I love it. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for viewing, and I'll see you again next week.